since I'm still eating. This is our campsite. And over there, that's Smokey the Bard. And he plays beautifully music. Good morning, everyone. It's the morning of day 52. Yes, it is Wednesday.
Yep, the 18th of May.
May 18th. It's 56 degrees. And
We're in shorts and t-shirt.
Shorts and t-shirt. Not so great of a night's sleep. We were slanted and I didn't blow up my mattress all the way. And that sucker is loud as shit when it's not blown up all the way. So it will be blown up all the way. Goal 17.1 today to get to Partnership Shelter so Cricket can have his pizza ordered out on trail.
It's part of the trail, part of the tradition, or part of the journey.
Yes. And we're on our way 2 miles to a beautiful waterfall where we're going to have our breakfast.
Yep.
We chose to do breakfast at the pretty waterfall since it's only 2 miles away. All right. We will catch you out on trail.
See ya.
I love the mornings. Mornings are the best. Especially when the terrain is so perfect. All the happy birds. Plenty of water. Damn, I knew the temperature dropped. My fingers, they don't want to work. They're hurting so bad. It's now 52. Damn it, man. I'm trying to walk as fast as possible without tripping so that I can get to wherever the sun is. All right. Now, if this up doesn't start warming me up, I don't know. We are getting close. You can hear the river and the falls. We're 0.3 away. It's all been up. My body's warm, but my fingers are still numb. Oh well. It's so pretty out here. And I love the birds. I'm here. Cromer Creek Falls. I guess we could sit around here and do breakfast. Wow. Whoops. Wow, this is our beautiful breakfast spot. I'm having my breakfast skillet, 2 coffees, 1 hot chocolate, and Cricket's having 2 oatmeals, 2 coffees, 1 hot chocolate. This was a beautiful breakfast spot. Now it's time to go. I rolled my ankle on a stupid little rock. Actually, there was a whole bunch of rocks. And I chose the wrong one. And it tipped. I think I'm good. But damn, that's what can take somebody off trail. Can't be doing that shit. This is just crazy beautiful. And super smooth. Wow. Here, now you can see more. This is the kind of trail that almost anyone can walk on and be happy about.
All right, I got to thank a few people. Day number 4, leaving Damascus. I keep getting sidetracked to thank everybody. But June, Purple Haze's mom, thank you for sending the boxes. We switched out our sleeping bags, and huge difference. To Sabrina, thank you very much for sending out the change of clothes and all those boxes up to Damascus. That was a huge help, and also those letters from the VA. Hopefully we'll see what happens. And let's see. Yeah, we got new phone pouches. It's right here. Porter from Hyperlight. We went there to the booth and said that both our phone pouches were defective. My zipper, and she had a tear on the back. He replaced them, no questions asked. So thank you, Porter. And we saw someone who watches our videos. We're walking on Main Street on Saturday, trying to get down to the Hyperlight to exchange stuff or to get to the raffle. And sorry we couldn't stop and talk, but thank you for watching. And everybody who is watching, thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We have like 838 subscribers, but we have an average of 40 people who watch our videos. So, well, we like doing them for friends, family. And Tony, thank you for starting the car. Thank you. All right, we'll see you on trail.
Well, that was one of the more challenging poo places. I had to go through all those baby trees just to get down there. Oh my goodness. Why does your body call, go to the bathroom, when it's a 45 or a 55 degree angle? Oh my goodness. Wow, look at this really, really, really new bridge. That's awesome. Thank you, trail maintainers. Raccoon Branch Wilderness, Jefferson National Forest. I wonder if we're actually going to see some raccoons. Look at this tree. Obviously, it got knocked over by another tree, and it chose not to die. It has this other one going straight up and at least 5 right there in the middle of its arch, growing straight up. Yes, nature. Look at how beautiful it is in here with all these little ferns. We're walking the ridge. It is so gorgeous. Another amazing day. Especially when not going up steep hills. Then it's just challenging and beautiful. I have no clue why I stopped, because once I looked up, look at this awesome knotty tree. And these other massive trees. Like that one. It looks like it winds and twists and then separates right there. Look at this. I came from up there. And this is what I get to see while I hike today. I love this side of the mountain. It's so open and beautiful. So it's 11:30. I have hiked 7 miles. Yesterday, by this same time, I had only hiked 3.5 miles. And we also took an hour break at the Waterfall, and it's 71 degrees now. It's really thick and sticky. I am wearing the pair of winter shorts that I kept. They're thicker, but they still have the moisture wicking, but they're thicker, they're longer. They come up higher on my waist. They come way lower on my legs. I need to order shorts like these, but with a 5-inch inseam and not such a high waist. I like the other shorts I was wearing, except those ones are just rough and abrasive, so they're not going to work either. I think Mom has 2 more pairs of my shorter yoga shorts. If not, I need to go on Amazon and find something. I wish I could wear running shorts, but my thighs are still too thick. And I don't need any more help with... Ooh, what's that? Look at that. It's a fuzzy leaf. And I don't know. That's cool. Gotta go to the shelter to get water. There's supposedly a pipe spring. There hasn't been anything for 5 miles. And I'm just about out of water. I'm glad it wasn't a 7-mile carry because I didn't have enough. Well, this shelter was a significant hike down off the trail. But look, it's got a nice chimney. And it's got windows. Oh my goodness, I'm curious to see what's inside. Oh, I'll show you in a minute. So we took a nice little break here. I needed a little longer because I had to tape both of my feet. I feel like I'm getting a blister deep between my first and my second toe in the ball. Like, it just doesn't feel right. So I taped both my feet and I used up my roll of Leuco tape. So Mom, I'm gonna need more. 10 miles. It is 12:33 And that's all we got left. Holy cow. Now I remember why I love taping my feet. Like the knee stiffness that I was having. Now, I did stretch also. But, like, oh my goodness. I love taping my feet. It gives them extra support. It makes the shoes feel better. It makes my knees and my lower back feel better. Holy cow. It's only been 3 minutes. It feels so much better. So out of the first 470 miles, I would say that I had my feet, or at least my right foot, taped for 400 of those miles. Because it just felt good. And every time that I didn't have it taped, it made my heels hurt and the rest of me hurt just a little bit more. So, you know, my feet just like to have that little bit of extra support around the knuckles so that it supports that transverse arch, which then helps the other arch, which makes the heel feel better, which makes the calf, the knee, the hammy, and the back feel better. So, I highly recommend taping to a nice snug fit, not tight. And, oh my goodness, you might love it.
We walk all day in the green tunnel. It's nice to come out to these meadows and have a good view of the mountain ranges that we're hiking on. This probably used to be it actually probably still is a cow field. Got cow patties.
We have lots and lots of blackberries and whatever else kind of berries and whatever these beautiful things are. All right, so the other thing that's out here is cow patties. I did not see that one and I slipped. So now I got cow dew on my shoe. That sucks. Whatever, at least I'm walking through here. Now I just gotta pay even more attention. Damn it. It's so much more fun to look around. But slipping in cow poo sucks. At least I didn't fall on my ass in it. Woohoo! So that guy's grading the road and putting rocks down. But everything I am walking on here is all loose. So, yeah, it's soft, but it's harder to walk on because it's loose and it sinks when you step on it. But at least it'll be graded for whoever has to drive out here.
All right, it's 1 o'clock. Got about just over 8 miles to the partnership shelter. The weather channel is calling for rain in Marion, which is a town to our west where we're staying tomorrow, starting about 02 in the morning. So possibly getting rain up here in the mountains about 3 in the morning. So we'll just pack up a wet tent, get to the shelter. Then in the morning, hopefully there's a city bus that hopefully someone's scheduled for tomorrow to take us into town. So, all right, beautiful day.
All right. So the hair sucks, whatever. So I have literally gone to the bathroom 5 times in 2 miles. I'm seriously going like 30 times a day. This is absurd. It's obscene. It's ridiculous. I could be so much faster if I didn't pee 30 times a day and have to screw with my high-waisted pants and my long shirts. I'm thinking I am gonna want to go to a dress if it wasn't for the damn thick thigh rub. I gotta figure this out because I'm not peeing any less. And it's hard to pee less when you're drinking 8 liters of water a day. Look at this really long, pretty bridge. The life of a mountain stream above and below. Freestone and limes or limestone. Look at that. Look at that. Look at him. I wonder how some Dave, Chirp, and Curls are doing. I think some Dave's behind us. Chirp and Curls both should be way ahead of us. They've been platinum blazing. I can't blame them. But I have my man, so I don't need to. And I sleep better out here. So it works for me. Except when I don't blow my air mattress up all the way. Then it is the loudest piece of crap ever. But the first Monday and Tuesday night, Sunday, Monday night, it was awesome. It made almost no noise and it was fully blown up. But last night, when I was blowing it up, I popped it off and then I decided I'll just finish blowing it up with my mouth. Yeah, my lungs are not the same as that bag. And it was so freaking loud. I did not sleep well last night. I was annoyed every time I moved. So, anyway, I hope those 3 are doing good. I missed them. I'm sure I'll see them up ahead. Look at all these Tarzan vines. It would be really cool if we could like swing from tree to tree, like Tarzan with her backpacks on. That would be so awesome.
This is a nice section. It's flat. Very, very green.
Right here's the last water source for like 5 or 6 miles. Woohoo!
Whatever's left over. Yeah, we're good.
Just filling up our waters for the next 5.3 miles. It is 2:09. That's our water source. And we're 6.7 from Partnership Shelter. So we can order a pizza and then figure out how we're getting into town tomorrow morning. Wow, the first lady slipper since before Damascus. Oh my goodness, there's another one too. It looks like there's going to be a bunch of them all over here. Awesome. Yay. I wish I had taken a couple better pictures. Was it yesterday? Or the day before? The day of the rain. I wish I had taken better pictures because I haven't seen some of those flowers, those red spiky looking reddish orange flowers. I haven't seen them since then. And that's why it's such a big deal for me to stop and take all the pictures, because now I haven't seen one again. It's one hell of an uphill. And look at how lush and full and dense this ground covering is throughout the forest. It's pretty freaking awesome. And more Tarzan vines. Check them out.
If you're gonna hike this trail, these are little baby rocks. But I've rolled my ankle several times. Not bad enough to dislocate or sprain, but definitely be sore at night. And the bigger rocks even, they move. But these little rocks will mess your feet up. So definitely if you're gonna come out here and hike, have some strong ankles, or at least build up to it.
Here's our view of Rye Valley.
Take two.
Take three. This is our view of Rye Valley. I wonder if they grow rye down there. I want some. It's 3:17. We have 5 miles left. And I started counting how many times I go to the bathroom since that last shelter. It's only been 5 miles because it was only 10 miles to the shelter where we're stopping. I have gone 13 times. This is absurd. So I'm thinking maybe tennis skirts. I don't know. I got to figure something out. I waste so much time screwing around with my clothing, pulling it up, pulling the shirt down, getting it all even so that I can put the backpack back on it. I just need to figure out how to pull my shorts off to the side. I don't know. It's annoying though. It's such a waste of time. What is this tree and these orange flowers? So we have identified the difference between poison ivy and raspberries and blackberries. The poison ivy is smoother on the leaf and it's all over everything. So there's no more propping trekking poles against trees anymore. And it's a good thing we now know the difference, so we don't have to be afraid of our berries.
Just a late afternoon climb.
It's 4 p.m. We have 3.5 miles left.
Less than 3 miles. Walking on a ridge line. Very, very green. That's just like straight down.
Wow. Hold on. Look at this really cool boulder formation. That's awesome. Well, now, this tree went down and then refused to die. The whole thing's alive. That's awesome. 1 mile to water, 2.3 miles to the shelter. Thank God it's only 1 mile. I have about 3 ounces of my collagen, electrolyte, and beets left. I just ran out of my water up front. I can definitely say my feet are very, 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 very sore. We're at probably 15 and a half miles for today so far. Mile and a half left. And yesterday was 17.1. The day before was 16.5 trail miles. And then I got about another mile and a half. And the extra things that I went to do, that wasn't worth it. Damn it, man. So, 18, 17, 35, 45, 52 miles in 3 days. My legs are done. I'm so glad tomorrow is a 0, and I am going to be horizontal most of the day. So this partnership shelter, that's like 1.2 away, and it's 5:08. Cricket's probably already there. It has running water, a shower, and a phone that only calls a pizza delivery place. That was why we pushed so hard to get here. So we could order pizza. Okay, so Cricket could order pizza because it's a trail thing. And could I have made it there with no water? Another 1.5 from where I got water? I don't think so. And no matter what, I like the taste of springs, the water that we get out here, way better than any tap water. That's gross. It tastes like different chemicals. But, so I probably only have, 1.1 left. And hopefully he's ordering me a veggie. All right. Look at how beautiful all the grass and all green. It's so green. We're about 0.1 from the shelter.
It's our campsite for tonight. There's Easy, Duck Girl, and partnership shelter is up there. That's our tent. Water. Trash bag.
Hey everyone. It's the night of the 52nd night. And we did 17 miles today.
0.1.
17.1.
0.1 counts.
Yes, it does.
That means you did 3 17-mile days in a row?
Yes, but the first one didn't count because it was only 16 and a half.
Mm-hmm.
Oh well.
Yep. Tomorrow morning we have True Nero 0.2 to get to the shuttle.
Awesome. And we got our pizza.
Yeah, it was delicious.
Yes, it was. I had the veggie.
I had pepperoni and chicken wings.
Yep.
And a Coke. 2 Cokes.
Yep. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. We're exhausted.